Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to fix Roblox error code 503, then this is the right video for you. First, search View Network Status on your computer, and then open it. Now click on your Wi-Fi or your network connection. Then click on Properties. From here, select Internet Protocol version 4, and then go to Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Then type in on preferred DNS server 8888. And then on alternate DNS server, type in 8844. After that, click on OK. Now close everything up. After it's done, restart your computer. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.